How to sign in or log into AOL Mail account. In order to do so, you may follow up this step. So for that, you can head over to any of your preferred browser and navigate to AOL.com. Look out for that and open it up. After you open it up, you need to go ahead and wait for the page to load up first, and you can look out for the login option or sign in button, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the page. So you can just go ahead and look out for the sign in option in the top right and tap on it. Just tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you should be finding this interface right here. So I can just go ahead and enter up your username, email, or mobile number that you use in order to create up your account for your AOL. So just go ahead and type it in here in this section and then tap on next and then follow the other process of entering your password or something similar. Or you can use your Google account or your Yahoo account that you may have used in order to create your account, and you need to enter up a 6-digit code after that. If you have not created an account, you can just go ahead and look out for this create an account option on your screen and tap on it and follow the process in order to create up your account and log in using that interface, the credentials again. Otherwise, if you have forgotten your username or password, you should be finding this forgot username. You can tap on it and reset your password, and that's it. So this is how you sign into AOL mail account very easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.